On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to upload videos and get paid. This is a free method. It does not require any investment. It does not require any skills or experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to get free videos, how to upload them, how to monetize them, and how to get views. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. As you can see on this website, people are uploading videos and they are earning money. You can see this video right here. It got 161 views, and you can see the amount of money that the channel owner earned. You can see $3.27. You can see another one right here, 30 views, 2 cents. You can see this one right here, $2.17. See this one right here, $26.77. You can see $48.93. You can see $11.85. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different videos that people have uploaded onto this platform. The name of this website is rumble.com. It works like YouTube. So what you have to do is that you have to create a channel so that you can be uploading videos onto your channel. So once people view those videos, you are going to be earning money. Apart from the money that you are going to be earning on this website, I also show you how to monetize your video from affiliate links so that you can be making money from home. So now what you are going to do is that you have to create your accounts on this website so that you can upload videos onto this platform to earn money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to get free videos so that you can upload it onto this website to earn money from home. There are a lot of platforms that you can get viral videos to download. One of them is TikTok. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come on TikTok and just search for any funny video that you want. Once you search for that, you are going to download it and then upload it onto rumble.com. So for example, let me just search for funny dogs videos. Once I search for funny dogs videos, you can see a whole lot of different videos that have got millions of views. You can see this one right here, it got 17 million views. You can see another one right here, 63.6 million views. You can see 27.9 million views. As you can see, a whole lot of different videos that have got millions of views. So it means people like these kinds of videos. So once you download and upload to rumble.com, you are going to get people to view them so that you can be earning money from home. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select one of these videos so that you can download it and upload it onto rumble.com so that you can monetize it and get paid when people view it. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to download this one right here. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see the video right here. To download the video, you are going to just come right here, click on copy link so that you can copy the link of the video. Once you copy the link of the video, you are going to come to this website, snaptik.com. This website allows you to download TikTok videos without watermark. You can see it right here. So just paste the link that you copied from the video right here. Once you paste the link right here, just click on download. Once you click on download, you can see right here download. So click on that so that you can download the video onto your PC. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that it is downloading right here. It has finished downloading. So once the video is downloaded onto your PC, the next thing is that you are going to come to this website, canva.com. This is a graphic designing website that you can use to create any design that you like. You can also use it to create videos. So once you create your accounts on Canva and log in, you are going to see a page like this. To create a video, just click on videos. Once you click on videos, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to select the type of video that you want to create. So you can see a whole lot of different videos that you can create. So just select this one right here, mobile video. Click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This is where you are going to create your video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to upload the video right here so that you can create a nice video. So just come right here, click on uploads so that you can upload the video. Once you click on uploads, you are going to select upload files. Once you click on files, you are going to see a page like this. Just select the video. Once you select it, click on open so that it will be uploaded onto Canva. You can see it right here. It is uploading right now, as you can see it right here. So once the video is fully uploaded, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on it so that it will be selected. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see it right here. As you can see, this is the video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, just open it. As you can see, open it so that it will occupy the whole space. So just open it. As you can see, that has been done. So the next one is you are going to bring it downwards. I think that has been done. As you can see, the video is fully created. So when you click on it, you can see this is the video. It has been created. So the next thing is that you are going to click right here, this plus sign, so that you can add another page, because we want to monetize the video. So we want the people to watch the video. So once they finish watching the main video, you will give them notice that we have a link in the description so that they can visit the description of our video and then click through an affiliate link to purchase the product that we are going to promote for us to earn a commission. So once you click on add page, you are going to see a page like this. So the next thing is that you are going to come on Google and then search for dog training flyer templates. Once you search for that, you can see a whole lot of different templates that you can use. You can see many of them that you can use. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of dog training templates that you can use. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select one of them. So I just want to select this one right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has opened right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to right click. Once you right click, you are going to select copy image. So once you select copy image, you are going to come back to your video, and right here you are going to paste the image. So just press Ctrl V so that you can paste the image onto your design. Once that is done, you are going to just enlarge it. So just drag it up and down. So as you can see, that has been done. So you are going to cover this particular call to action. You can see it right here. This is not ours, so you are going to cover it. This one too is not ours, so you are going to cover it. To cover this particular call to action, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on elements. Once you click on elements, you are going to select one of these shapes. So just click on the shape that you want to use. So once you select the shape, you are going to see it right here. As you can see it right here. So now what you are going to do is that just drag the shape downwards, and you are going to make sure that it covers the call to action. So just cover everything. So once you cover the call to action, you are going to change the color of this particular shape. So just come right here, click on the color right here. Once you click on it, you are going to change to any color that you want. So you can just select this one right here. So once that is done, you are going to just click on it, duplicate it. Once you duplicate it, you are going to bring it upwards so that you can cover the company name. So just bring it right here and then cover this particular name. Just cover it. That has been done. So now this is our image. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to type your call to action right here. To add a call to action, you are going to come right here, click on text so that you can write your call to action. Once you click on text, you are going to select add a heading. So once you select add a heading, you are going to drag it downwards, and right here you are going to type something like link in the description. So just something small like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to increase the size. So just come right here, click on it so that you can increase the size of your text. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight this particular text. Once you highlight it, you are going to make it white. So just come right here, select white. Once you select white, you can see the text is not visible again. So what you are going to do is that you are going to change the color of the background. To change the color of the background, just come right here, click on background. Once you click on background, you are going to select any of these colors. So just select this one right here. You can see, select anything that makes the call to action stand out. So just select any of them. So I'm going to just select black. You can see it right here. So once you have your call to action, everything is done. You can see the video is 20 seconds. You can reduce it. So just come right here, click on the time right here. Once you click on the time here, you can drag it backwards so that the time of the call to action will be reduced. Just make it 2. So that is done. You can see the video is not 17 seconds. So now once that is done, you are going to play so that you can preview and then see how the video looks like. So just come right here, click on it so that you can play the video. You can see right here, this is the preview of the video. You can see right here, that is the call to action. So anytime people watch the video, they are going to see your call to action. And then once they see your call to action, they are going to check in the description of the video so that they can purchase whatever product that you are promoting. So now once you have your call to action, you have your video. The next thing is that you are going to come right here, click on share so that you can download the video. Once you click on share, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to leave it as MP4 video. So once that is done, click on download again so that you can download the video onto your PC. As you can see right here, the video has been downloaded. Once you download the video, you are going to come back to rumble.com. Once you are here, you are going to click right here, sign in so that you can create your free accounts. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here so that you can create a new account. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So the next thing is that you are going to click right here, this upload, so that you can upload your video. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. Select upload video. Once you click on upload video, you are going to click right here so that you can upload the video that you downloaded from Canva. Now what you are going to do is that select your video, click on open, and then your video is going to be uploaded onto rumble.com. As you can see, it is uploading right now. Once it is uploading, the next thing is that you are going to write the title of your video here, and then the description of the video right here. Once you have the title of your video, the next thing is the description. So right here we are going to monetize the video using affiliate links. So here you are going to add an affiliate link so that anytime people watch the video, they can click through the link right here and then purchase the product for you to make money. To monetize your video with affiliate links, you have to join an affiliate network whereby you can get different products to promote. You can join Digistore24, you can join More Niche, you can join ClickBank. In this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank products. So once you create your accounts on ClickBank and log in, what you have to do is that you have to just come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find the different categories of products that you can promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see these are categories of products that you can promote. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to promote products that are related to the video that we have uploaded. So just come right here and then click on Home and Garden. Once you click on Home and Garden, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here. You can see Sort Results By. Click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to select Gravity. Once you sort by gravity, you can see this product right here, Brain Training for Dogs. You can see the gravity score is 96. When you come here, you can see this is the amount that you are going to be paid per every sale that you get, $31.47. So anytime you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to promote this product under the description of your video. So now what you are going to do is that just click right here, Promote, so that you can promote this product. Once you click on Promote, click on Create Hop Link. Once you click on Create Hop Link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime people buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning $31.47. So just copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for Tiny URL. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your link here so that you can shorten the link. So once you paste it here, just click on Make Tiny URLs. Once you click on Make Tiny URL, you can see your link has been shortened. So just click right here, copy, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to the description of your video and then type a call to action right here. Click this link to get access to the training. Just simple as this. Once that is done, you are going to paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. So this is your affiliate link. So anytime they click through and then purchase it, you are going to be earning money. Once you paste your link, the next thing is that you are going to select a thumbnail for your video. So you can just select any of them. So you want your video to be ranked on this particular website. So you are going to type something like funny dogs. You are also going to type something like funny videos, viral videos, funny pairs. You have pairs. So just like this. So you are going to add your tags right here. Once you add your tags, you can see every information that you have to provide about this video is complete. So the next thing is that you are going to click on upload so that you can upload the video onto this website. So just click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your license. So you want to monetize the video. You can see the licensing option right here. You can see video management exclusive. As you can see right here, you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide perpetual agent for such content. You will receive all net earnings less an agency fee equal to 40% collected in relation to your content. You can see right here, video management excluding YouTube. As you can see, with the exception of YouTube, which is specifically excluded, you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide perpetual agent for such content. You will receive all net earnings less an agency fee equal to 40% collected in relation to your content. So you are going to select this one right here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it has been selected. Once you select your licensing right, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. So just select that. You can see right here, check here if you agree to our terms of service. So you have to select it. Once that is done, you are going to submit this particular content so that it will be uploaded. So just click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see this is the link of your video. You can see it right here. To view your video, just click on it so that you can see how your video looks like. So just click on it. As you can see, the video is still encoding. You can see it right here. As you can see, the video has been fully uploaded. So people can now view your video on this particular website. So the next thing is that you are going to share it so that you can get a lot of views. To share it, just click right here, share, so that you can get the link to your video. Once you click on share, you can see this is the link of your video. Just copy it. Once you copy the link of your video, you are going to come to this website, getter.com. This website allows you to post any link that you want. So it's a website that you can post your content for other people to watch. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, just paste your link right here so that it will be posted onto the platform. You can see this is your link. So once you post it, the video is going to be generated. As you can see, this is the video. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the video. You can see everything, the title right here. So you are going to click right here, post, so that it can be posted to the people on this website for them to watch it, so that you can be making money on rumble.com. So just click on post so that your video can be posted onto this platform. Now once you click on post, you can see the video has been posted. So just click on it, read it, so that you can see how your video is going to look like on this platform. You can see this is your video. It has been posted 12 seconds ago. So other people can just click right here to repost the video onto their accounts. They can also click right here to share it. People can just click right here to like your video. So that is how it is. You are going to be sharing your content onto this website so that you can be getting views. As you can see, this is a free website. You are not going to be restricted. So make sure you upload your video onto rumble.com and then share it right here so that you can get people to view it for you to make money on rumble.com. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.